Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Sat Sri Akal. Let's discuss here in this video about the 4 important special or additional grounds available only to the Hindu wife against her husband. So on these 4 grounds she can take divorce against her husband. These are the special grounds only available to wife, Hindu wife. So what are these special or additional grounds? You see, in section 13 in the earlier video we discussed about the grounds which are available to both of them, both husband and wife. But these are the grounds which are available only to the Hindu wife. So what are these grounds? The first ground is that bigamy. If the Hindu husband is guilty of second marriage, if the Hindu husband is guilty of second marriage before the commencement of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So this ground was added at that time. So if the Hindu husband married a second lady before the commencement of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, so his first wife files a petition of divorce on this ground, and at the point of or at the time of filing the petition, the second wife which he married is still living, she is alive. So obviously the earlier wife or the first wife can take divorce against such husband. So this is the first special ground available to Hindu wife. The second important ground available to Hindu wife only is if the husband is guilty of rape, he is guilty of sodomy, or he is guilty of bestiality. These are the 3 offenses. If he is convicted by the court of rape, sodomy and bestiality, just anybody has filed a criminal complaint against him or there is a FIR against him, that's not a ground. It's just the initiation of proceedings. He must have been convicted by the court. He must have been convicted by the court. Just FIR or criminal complaint is not enough for the wife to take divorce on these grounds. Her husband must have been convicted of these offenses. Rape, sodomy means unnatural sex. He is guilty of unnatural sex. And bestiality means sex with a beast. He is having sex with some animal. So these are the offenses. If he's found guilty of these offenses, obviously his wife can take divorce from him. This is the second important ground available to wife only. Then the third ground is the wife has got the decree of maintenance in her favor. Whether it's section 125 CRPC maintenance or she has got the decree of maintenance under section 18 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act. The thing is that she has got the decree of maintenance in her favor, and whether she is getting maintenance from her husband or not, that's not an issue. The thing here to be noted is that she has got the decree of maintenance in her favor, and 1 year has elapsed from the date of decree. 1 year has elapsed from the date of decree, and within that 1 year there is no cohabitation between husband and wife. They are living apart. It means the marriage has been irretrievably broken down. There is no chance of living them again. There's no chance of living them of them living together again. There's no cohabitation. 1 year has elapsed after the passing of the decree of maintenance in the favor of wife. Obviously, the wife can take divorce from him on this ground. This is a special ground. Obviously, maintenance will continue. Don't think that once she got the divorce, the maintenance will stop. Maintenance will continue, but she will get divorce from the husband. Then the other 4th important ground which is available only to Hindu wife is that she has been married by her parents before she attained 15 years. For example, she was married when she was just a teenager or a child, and after attaining 15 years, like before 18 years, she repudiated the marriage. You see, understand this point, very important point. She was married by her parents before she attained 15 years, but she repudiated the marriage after 15 years, but before 18 years. So 15 to 18 years, this is the time gap in which she repudiated the marriage, and after repudiation she didn't had any sexual intercourse with the husband. If after repudiation she is having sexual intercourse with her husband, then obviously this ground is lost. There should not be any sexual intercourse with her husband. Then she can approach the court. She can get divorce from her husband. So this is the important 4th ground which is available only to Hindu wife. This ground is also known as option of puberty. See, this is also known as option of puberty. So these were the 4 important special grounds available only to Hindu wife, not to the husband. So I hope you like the lecture. Do comment on the video. Let's discuss mutual divorce in some other video, next video. Thank you very much.